Hello everyone, I'm Tim from Tim's PC, and I build custom PCs to suit anyone's needs or budget. Also live stream my builds and repairs for transparency and educational purposes. So if you'd like to get an awesome new PC and you'd like to see it get put together live, send me a message today. Okay, so...
Hello, hi, the editor here. I hope everyone had a great new year and a Merry Christmas. I just want to say thank you for dropping by to the video, and if you're enjoying the content, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. That's all from me. Enjoy the video.
Tonight, we've had a walk-in late yesterday afternoon, but the first thing I might do is I might get rid of this power supply. Okay, so what else have we got here? We've got a Corsair H150, the revision, and I suppose we can just run this straight up the top there. Very good. So we've got three PWM headers there coming off the CPU cooler. We don't actually need them. All we need for the cooler is the power and our addressable USB 2. Sweet as. Alright, well, I think we might go back to full screen. I might sign off for the night. It's getting late. Hello everyone. This is Buddy, aka the Fluffy Mow. The Fluffy Mow would like to know why you have not subscribed to the Tim's PC YouTube channel. You obviously like our videos, so do us a huge favour and subscribe.